Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And after you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we need to find the option called the apps or applications, something like that. Apps. This option, oh my bad. Apps. Once you find this option, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called App List. And after you find it, tap on it. And right here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. Find the application you want to uninstall, and once you find it, you can tap on it. Here you can scroll down, and under the Open button you should see Uninstall. You can tap on Uninstall, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the application will be removed. And after you're done, you can press the Home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.